Hi guys, today we are doing
Guess and rank challenge featuring OS. As you can see, I'm blindfolded.
actually guess the flavor of the OS and rank it.
Yes. Easy. Blue one. I love blue one, but there are other flavors, so I'll give it a solid 3.
This one.
Easy. Yellow. I like yellow. शायद yellow को
3 पे रखती but ठीक है, I'll keep it at 4. So it's this one.
pink. My all-time favorite. 2. Solid 2.
This one.
मेरा favorite. Green. I'll keep this at 1. I'll lock this. The first is green. Second is pink. Third is blue and fourth is yellow. So did I guess it right?
Yeah.
All right. Love OS. Yeah. Tell me your ranking.
This will be 1. Blue is 4. Yellow is 2 and pink is 3.
So bye bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.